everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to get sensitive content filter on Instagram. So let's get started. Go to your profile, tap on profile at the bottom right corner, open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu proceed to settings. Go to account and here select sensitive content control. From this menu you can choose how much sensitive content to see. More, you might see more sensitive content standard, you might see some sensitive content, and less, you might see less sensitive content. For example, select less, then tap on confirm, and then go back and use your Instagram. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.